we've just got food on our first flight, and our flight's only like 2.5 hours, which is mad. So we've got some fruit, yogurt, croissants, jam, which looks nice. And then I've got noodles and chicken. Doesn't look too bad. Okay, next lot of food. So we've got some sort of like potato salad with meat in. Not sure about that one. We've got some fruit. We've got like a little cake thing. Bread. And then we've got beef and rice, which looks like that. Last meal of the flight. So we've got some weird like, I don't know, the seaweed salad in there. Bread roll, some fruit and tomatoes again, and we've got chicken rice.